If you've been in the online business, online marketing space for any length of time at all, you've probably heard the importance of email. Having a strong email list is essential to building your online business. It's where your leads come from. It's how you're going to sell your products and ultimately how you're going to keep and control and maintain your audience apart from the whims of social media. But the question is, how do you build an email list and how do you grow it? In this video, I want to give you a simple process to get started growing your email list and to grow it as large as you want to or as large as you can. If you're new to email marketing, this is going to help you get started. And if you've been doing online business and online marketing for a while, there's probably going to be some things in this video that are going to trigger some ideas and help you grow faster. So for that, stick around. My name is Lane. This is my channel. Welcome. I'd love for you to subscribe if you like it here. I love to help online business owners to get a great start, to build their businesses, to grow their businesses, and to build legit online passive income businesses around what you know, what your experiences are, what your passions are, to teach other people about those in online courses, membership sites, coaching, consulting, things like that. I want to give you something for free as a way to say thank you for stopping by. If you go to lanesebring.com/super-simple, you can pick up my free super simple guide to your first $500 online. These are the exact steps that I use to build both of my businesses to six figures and soon to be multiple six figures, and how you can do the same. If you have an idea for an online business, but you just want to know how to get started, download the free guide below, lanesebring.com/super-simple. All right, so first I want to answer the question, why email? In the world of social media, in the world of text messaging, in the world of just kind of nobody's on email is the idea. Why email? Are we talking about the 90s here? Like, what is the deal with email? Well, email is still king, and I'm going to deal with this in a future video, but the short of it is your email list is the only thing that you actually own. If you're on Facebook, if you're on Instagram, if you're on TikTok, and you have a lot of followers and you have a lot of subscribers and you have a lot of people in those spaces, they are not actually yours. You are subject to the whims of those algorithms. You're subject to what those social media companies decide to do, decide to change, decide to start charging for, decide to discontinue. So you really don't have control over how your list of people is dealt with. When it comes to email marketing though, you actually do. Your list goes with you when you leave. Like, one example is that conversion rates are higher on email, and that's because people are making a buying decision when they're in their inbox versus when they're on social. They're more likely to just want to scroll and be social, not to buy a product. Again, we'll get to more of that in a future video, but for now, just trust me, email is so vital. You do not have an online business worth anything until you have an email list that is strong and growing. That is just the facts. Now, with that foundation laid, let's talk about how to start and grow your email list. The first thing you need to do is start making content. Whether it is video content like YouTube, written content like a blog, or audio content like a podcast, it doesn't matter, just start making content. Now, the content you make needs to be focused on your niche, and it needs to be helpful content. This content is going to help reach the target audience that you want to reach, the kind of people who are going to learn to know you, like you, and trust you, and eventually want to buy your online courses, your membership sites, coaching, consulting, all that kind of stuff. So what's really important is that your content is geared towards your target audience. The next thing you need is a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a free resource that you provide in exchange for someone's email address. So if you remember to the beginning of this video, I said go to lanesebring.com/super-simple to get your free super simple guide to your first $500 online. Well, that guide is a lead magnet. Well, how meta is this? I'm teaching something that I'm doing right in front of you. So the reason why I promote that guide is because, number one, it's super helpful. I know you're gonna love it. It's gonna really help you. But number two, when you get that guide, you're gonna be on my email list. And once you're on my email list, we're able to have more of a contact, more of a relationship. I'm able to send you more helpful, valuable content. And eventually down the road, you might purchase something from me, which would be really awesome. But even if you don't, I love having you on my list. So you can unsubscribe at any time. That's the way email lists work, and your people can unsubscribe at any time, but most people tend to stay on the email list for quite a while. So if you tie those two things together, the content and the email list, you have a really winning combination. Your content reaches people because it's targeted, it's exactly what they need, exactly what they're searching for, and in your content, you're gonna mention your lead magnet. You see how amazing this is? So people are watching your content and they're going, wow, I really like this guy, I really like this girl, they're helping me out. Oh, they have this really helpful free guide or this checklist or this exclusive video. I'm going to download that. When they do, you'll get their email address, they'll get the thing that you promised, and everybody's happy. That's the way lead magnets work. So we've got our content in place, and in every single piece of content, we're gonna mention our lead magnet. Now, there's way more to email marketing than just those two things. Like once they're on your email list, you're gonna want to write a set of pre-written emails to make sure that you warm them up as a list, that you're nurturing them as a lead, and then you're able to take them through a process and sell them on your online course or on your coaching or whatever you decide to do. And all of that, the best way to put that together is through a tool called Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one online business solution. So I use Kajabi for everything that I do, my website, my landing pages, and my email list. And you can actually try out Kajabi for free for 30 days using my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So check out Kajabi using my link. You'll get the 30 days. You're also going to get some really cool perks and bonuses from me, including a 45-minute strategy session one-on-one with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how you can get the best possible start on that platform, which is super fun. So Kajabi is how these two pieces are tied together between your content, your lead magnet, getting people onto the email list, and then offering them your courses. You can even build your courses on Kajabi, which is pretty cool. So check that out and you can get going with email marketing. And in the meantime, check out this playlist right here where we're gonna go into even more depth into email marketing, how to get started, how to make it all work, really, really detailed stuff in this playlist right here. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.